Is that this one?
Again?
Is that this one?
Yeah, that's the one that you'll be driving.
Oh, for my testing. Death testing. Cheers, thank you.
One boring DVD.
Well, how many I've done already? 40 circuits, so this is a 41st.
Add about 400 to that and you'll catch up with me. I have to walk out now. I can't sit in here anymore.
The very latest.
A few moments later.
So, to recap. Yellow flag or light. Slow down to half race speed. There's an incident ahead. No overtaking. Red.
You happy with that, Chief?
Yeah.
Are you happy with pedals or?
Just see.
It's fixed position, this one.
Oh, it's bit.
Yeah.
That's it, that's cool.
Good. Lovely.
Right. Let's wake up a little bit. It's a bit wet, so I'm gonna go a bit sideways. Okay, PFI. What's the change? International. That was a good trip. That was really good. Right, even. I think it's a bit icy up there. Yeah, and what they use up here? Swedish 390. But that's it. That's it what I know about these go-karts. I think brake. I think I need some brake. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I have some truckers with me still, huh? To give them a little bit of competition. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to give them competition with my driving style. Here we go. marshals up here. Okay, let's go. Flat out. Here we go. A deep tap of the brake up here. Sideways. There we go. It doesn't feel sideways. The phone touched the grip and that's it. Oh my goodness! I think I can go quicker, but no! I don't! I can't! Alright people! Really late braking now! Here we go! That is perfect! Avoid the road patches! Here we oh, these curves is really damaging my ass! Oh. Now, it's too late! Oops, it's too late! Don't like this joke. Save your ass. That was really good. That is amazing. This one. No, no, no. No, Bobby. I'm joking. You need to brake really hard. Here. It's a boom, go. Whoa, it's one up here. No, hit this go. It's happy coming. Here we go. And go for it. It's real catch point, I can feel it. Go. Well, that's a perfect. That's a brilliant one. Here we go. Let's go. Much better. Here we go. Come on. Much better than him. Let's go. Here he is. I can see the chicken fly. Come on. Just a few minutes. Come on. Sideways. Here we go. Am I winning? I am winning. I'm definitely going to win. I can see the chicken fly. No, the best one, right, was okay. And yes! Wow! Oh, thank you guys.
Did you enjoy yourself? Well, look on that face, you definitely enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you very much. Amazing. Love it. Thank you. And I love this section of the corners, because drivers owners, you're going really tight. With this one, you can go faster. He couldn't catch me. Thanks a lot, guys. Right, guys, here we go. End of my session, finished it, and number 11, I like it, it's a double one. It's special for me. Okay, here you go. As you can see, Saudi with a 390, is that 390? Yeah, 390 engine, and this is I think it's a, I don't know, is it older Saudi chassis or it's a new one? I can't understand without stickers. Oh no, it's a new one. I can see, here we go. This is the, I think this is RT9 or RT10. I think so. I'm not sure. I don't have any stickers up here. Yeah, guys. But what can I say? Amazing session. Amazing go-karts. I think this is another venue where sword is really suits. Now, what can I say about the venue, about this circuit? You've seen it on my videos many times, but with these go-karts, if you noticed, this corner, which is just right next to me, is changed. So the cones now, look, the driver is coming, you see, he is going narrow, 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 really tight, where I can throttle already out, and where the cones blocking the road, this is where I can go flat out, and literally flat out all the way to the straight on a dry. Today I had to slow down a little bit. This is it. This is what's PFI. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. It helps me to share the videos with other drivers, racers, viewers, racing fans. Share it. It's helped me as well. It will help me as well. So share this video on your social media. You can do links on Instagram stories, Facebook. There's still loads of people in the Facebook. TikTok, I'm not sure what you can do on the TikTok, but I have my TikTok. And as usually, I'll see you in the next video. See ya!